Turn belt. Yep, it's a fail. Fail one. Alright, let's get ready. There you go, we'll go here. Right. This website always pops up in front of you. Alright, don't get it. Alright. You go to make sure it's one of the dolphins. Hey, go to the downloads. It has the GA, generally available. Go to MySQL community server. I had to, you gotta select your, platform. Mine is Windows. Like that. I got the 32-bit, the 64-bit, the zip archives, which I wouldn't do. I have a 64-bit system, so I would download that. But, to figure out what kind of system you had, which I had to do, go to, Control Panel, in your Start menu. Go to System and Security, and go to System. Go down here to System Type and 64-bit operating system. And yours might not be the same as me, so don't think, whoa, how do I change it? Because you can't. You bought the computer that way, that's how it's going to stay. Yeah, so I download the 64-bit. I'm not going to go completely through with the download, because I already have it downloaded, and I don't need to do it again. I'm going to click click cancel right at the end of the installation. So you have to show you how it goes. Alright, so you go down here, scroll down, skip this return users, new users thing, register, whatever. Well, thanks to the downloads, and you go to the one that's closest to you. I guess I should have done this one, but I did Pennsylvania. So I'll just download Pennsylvania. You gotta click one of these that's close to you. Or if you live in Europe or North America, well, they have US at the top. North America, Latin America, Asia, Africa, Oceania. What's that? Whatever. So yeah, down here it's downloading the setup, so we're just gonna wait. Listen to whatever music I have in the background. I haven't decided yet. After you open the file, you can uncheck that, but it doesn't matter, you're not going to use it twice. Alright, you hit run. But remember, this is also going to show you what happened to me. I'm not going to show you how you're supposed to do it, because it might not work. Because mine didn't work right, but my server still works. Just keep that in mind. Alright, you're going to want to hit next. Oh, I have the change repair remove installation. Dang it! Wow, I didn't think of this. That's not good. Okay, hopefully this didn't fuck up my server. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna click next. Accept the license agreement. Don't even have to read it. You want I hit typical, hit install. Just wait until it's done. Wait until it is finished. And once I'm back. Fast forward in music. Okay, now that that is done, I'm gonna hit next here. Next again. What? Oh yeah, finish here. This configuration. Yes. Why did this get highlighted? Okay, now open this. Go to standard. Install it as a Windows service, name it MySQL. Launch it automatically. This is critical. You have to get that, or else you're gonna have to go through and open it every time you turn on the computer. Which is why I just leave my server up. I never shut it down. And if I do have to shut it down, I restart the computer and I have it on launch automatically, so I don't have to go through and just open it up again. So yeah, hopefully you're gonna have to leave it as it is. Go next. Modify security settings. You're gonna want to put in a password. I'm gonna put the same password that I had in before, because it'll probably say that blah blah blah. You did it the same password as before. Blah blah blah. Alright, next. This is what I hit execute. These first two came up with check marks. And this one came up with a check mark. Okay, I just had to reset my color scheme to fix the speed. But yeah, this is what happened. The security settings could not be applied to the database because the connection has failed with the following error. 1045. That's what happened. I can retry. The same thing will pop up again. Just watch. See? There it is. Same error. 1045. So, I hit skip. This thing comes up with an X, and I hit cancel. That's what I did. So then, I go to MYSQL.com, I believe. Let's see. But right after it sends its request and goes to the website, then it'll go really fast. What's that tapping? Don't interrupt me! Alright, we're gonna go to downloads. Official MCForge downloads. And you're gonna wanna go. Well, I went to MCForge 4.8.0.0 because that was the latest version. Downloaded it. But for some reason, for me, it saves it as a WinRAR file or whatever. So, yeah, it'll just do that. But it doesn't matter because you can open with the folder after it downloads, and then you like extract it or something, and that's what I did. So yeah, then I got the MCForge up, and I'll open it. Okay, and to make it more of a tutorial here, I'm gonna have to open properties. Yeah, normally it'll say right there like it was like a MySQL error and all that stuff, and it doesn't have it set up and all that stuff. So yeah. So what we're going to want to do? No, not these properties. My bad. You're going to save it to a folder like on your desktop, so you have like more control. Move this over, and I have all of it saved into MCForge Server 1 on my desktop. Alright. Anyway, you right click that, you open with a Windows Explorer, and save the folder to that first folder if you have it on WinRAR, but you shouldn't if you didn't download WinRAR. Anyway, you go into the folder. This is what I did. What you're supposed to do. You go to properties. Go to server. All of this stuff right here, don't change it. There's absolutely nothing you have to change except for one thing. Scroll down to the very bottom. Go up a little bit. Right here. The password will normally be password. That's what it should be whenever you download it. But if you change it back to the password it was before, that whenever you set up the MySQL, then it'll work. I'll just exit out of this, but you have to save it. I'll exit out of it because I don't need to do it. No, don't save it. It's already good. So yeah, you can change all the rest of the properties. Oh wait, there's one thing that whenever I started making the server. Yeah, normally for you it'll look like everything's fine. You're gonna have to hit restart. It'll just close the window and then open it back up. And if a little notifier pops up and it says you're gonna have to allow the restarter application, let it. Or else you're just gonna have to close it, and it'll take forever to open it back up. Well, it does for me. Yeah, there was one more thing that about this stuff. Normally for you, it'll say that it'll say all of this, and it'll look like it's fine. It'll have a URL and everything. It'll look like it's fine, but it's actually not.